Delivery day. If you are a Mustang Super Snake fan, you're gonna love today's delivery. Scott from Outlaw Flipz. Not only does he transport vehicles, he found us these two Super Snakes. He knows that we love our Super Snakes, now up to 4 of them. Definitely the best 4 we've ever had at one time. This one right here, 2013, black silver stripe, which I've never seen that color combo before, on a wide body, and it also is equipped with the whole shot. Best part about it, only 300 miles on the entire car, which is crazy to think of. With the Super Snakes, most of those cars were driven as GT500s. So when they got sent back for the upgrades, even the 07 that we have that was owned by Carol, that's got 5,200 miles, only 200 miles on the upgrades, but 5,200 miles on the car because a lot of those miles were put on as a GT500. On this one right here, the 2013, you have 300 miles on the car, and not sure on the upgrades, but it obviously can't be much. And in front of it, we will see a 2012 black on black Super Snake, which is equipped with the whole shot. What you're seeing now, I've talked to Jeremy about this too. Jeremy's right here filming. I think he's Instagram live in it.
Instagram live, Super Snake page.
So the whole shots, a lot of those packages were being sold to guys and not getting done at Vegas, and you know, they were getting done either at their local shops or with themselves, and that's really not ideal. Both of these cars were done at Vegas, which is huge, receipts to prove it. So the 2012, we were kind of seeing what type of production numbers are out there on that car, because I've never seen a whole shot in years besides 13 and 14, except for our 07. And it's believed to be one of 4. So interesting car that's got 900 horsepower, where the 2013 is 1,000 horsepower. If you guys have never heard the whole shots, when Scott gets in here to back it up, you guys are in for a treat. Woo! Baby. Whole shot cars, and everyone sounds amazing, but nothing like that. Holy cow. It's like an airplane. Tell him, give us a rev.
Give us a rev. Give us a rev.
And we've had whole shots, like I said, but man, nothing sounds as good as this one, and they've all sounded great, don't get me wrong. I don't want to be prisoner of the moment type of guy, but man, that thing in person is insanely loud. And we had a video when Scott was picking it up over the weekend, and he sent it to me, and I could tell it just sounded different. And wow, coming out of that trailer in the back here. You got the nicer Recaro seats. That jacket is actually signed by Carol, and we'll walk over there in a little bit. See what the miles are on this. Exact mileage. Wow, 292. Not even 300. You got your A-pillar gauges. Car is super clean. It still smells new. We'll show you guys here. The jacket. The black and silver, man, is so nice, especially with the aluminum wheels instead of the black wheels, red calipers. Got your wide body. There's your Shelby jacket. Pretty cool. You got the helmet. What do you think?
I've never heard nothing like that, man. 600
Wow.
cars, I've never heard nothing like that. That's guttural. It's got a lot of bass to it, huh?
That thing is loud. That'll get the neighbors' attention for sure. Here comes the 2012. Here's the 2012, black on black. Full shot. Still sounds fantastic, but that 13 is, I'm telling you, it's a whole different level.
Straight back, you got room.
It's good. Black calipers on this one with the chrome wheels. Black on black, just like the 2013 wide body whole shot we just sold earlier this year. I love it with the chrome wheels rather than all black. It's a nice touch. Woo, baby. It's nothing to laugh at either.
We got some Shelby American helmets here.
That's pretty sweet. How many miles we got on this one, Scott?
201.
201.
Right on the dot.
So we got 201 on the 2012, just under 300 on the 2013, 292 miles. Man, we're up to probably 30 to 40 Super Snakes, and these two are gems to go along with the 07 and the 2014 whole shot we have now. Like I said, definitely the best 4 Super Snakes we've had at one time, and arguably the best 4 of any we've had, and that's saying a lot. Love the headrest on these with the red stitching. Got your carbon fiber console. White ball, Super Snake. really what makes this special, not only the miles, but the fact, like we said, a 2012 hole shot, 1 of 4, you just don't see. So I hope you guys enjoyed. That's first delivery day we've done vlogging style in some time. We enjoy it. We like to plug Scott, not only for, you know, transporting them, but helping us find it. You know, having a good transporter, an extra set of eyes out there is awesome. It goes a long way. And you guys know we love our super snakes. Probably, I would say that's what we're best known for now. A lot of people think the C7ZR1s, but the super snakes always been something we've loved, and continuing with those, and 2 beauties here. So be on the lookout. We'll have these on the website. 2013 we're gonna keep for a little while, I think, put that in our private collection, just because a wide body hole shot alone is insanely hard to find. We're hearing it's 1 of 10. Don't know how accurate that is, but we did have somebody reach out and said around 10 wide body hole shots were made for 14 total. It's crazy because I think we've had now a grabber blue one, a black one, so 2. This will be our 3rd. The 07 is a 1 of 1. Just nuts. I mean, awesome car right there. The 2012 will be listed. We have the 2014 available right now. A lot of interest on that, so I'm not too sure how long that's going to be available, but here you go for another absolute gem of a super snake.